Hey everyone, welcome to the CDL Driving Academy YouTube channel. My name is Phil, I am part of the Driving Academy team, and today we should be going over 3 mysterious sounds that your truck might make when you are driving out on the road. CDL vehicles, trucks as we like to call them, of course, are much larger vehicles than normal cars, so you might hear certain sounds that you're not familiar with that you might not hear normally when you're driving your car. Now, mysterious noise number 1 that you might hear your truck make is the humming of the engine. Engines in trucks are, obviously, a lot bigger than they are in normal cars, so it's hard to get by with a truck that doesn't make any noise. If you hear it humming smoothly, that usually means that your engine is in good health, but of course you always want to make sure that you are doing your pre-trip inspections to make sure that everything is running smoothly and that your truck is safe before you take it on the road. That's noise number 1. Number 2 on the list of mysterious noises you may hear your truck make is the sneezing of the air compressor. Now, when it comes to the braking system in a CDL vehicle, trucks more often than not use an air brake system as opposed to a hydraulic brake system. That means you're braking with air instead of braking with oil. Now, when it comes to the sneeze noise that you hear, typically when you're building up air in your air system in order to start driving your truck, you pump the brakes until your air pressure is at the right level. Once it does reach the right level, you will hear a sneezing sound come from your air compressor. This is completely normal. It happens in all trucks. It is part of the system. So don't be alarmed when you hear this noise when working with your air brakes. Now, the third mysterious noise you may hear when you are driving your truck is the clunky noise of the gears. Now, when it comes to driving trucks, there are still a lot of manual vehicles out there, which means these are vehicles you have to shift manually. The sound of the gears making contact when you shift your vehicle is completely normal because it is a large system and we're dealing with a lot of metal here. So you're definitely going to hear your gears shift when you are in a manual vehicle. Don't be alarmed by that. That is perfectly normal. Now, if you think that you hear something that is not normal when it comes to your shifting system, of course, make sure to check it out with your pre-trip inspection and make sure that everything is safe before you take the truck out on the real road. These are 3 different noises that you will hear your truck make when you are a CDL driver. Again, a lot of these loud noises are completely normal, but of course, make sure you are performing your pre-trip inspection before you go out on the road and make sure you have nothing broken on your truck and all will be well. Now, for any of my current CDL drivers out there, are there any other noises you might hear when you are taking your truck out on the road? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences while driving as a truck driver. Now, if you don't have your CDL yet, make sure you contact us below, 908-525-3609, or check out our website, cdldrivingacademy.com. That's cdldrivingacademy.com to get started on the CDL process and change your life with a new trucking career. We here at Driving Academy offer the best CDL training anywhere in the country, so make sure you get your CDL and make sure you do it with the best. Thanks, we'll see you guys next time.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.